This is our zip top organizing utility tote. This product is always in our top 10. It has 7 pockets that go all the way around the tote. 2 in the front, you have 2 mesh pockets on both ends, and you've got 3 pockets in the back. One of my favorite features is that it has a zip closure to it to keep everything contained inside. It also features that wipeable lining that everybody loves for easy cleaning. Teachers are going to love this. Nurses are going to love this. Moms with babies will love this. If you clean houses, then this is the perfect tote for you because you can fit all of your cleaning supplies in here. This would be a great catch-all bin for your car, toolbox for inside of the house. Gardeners, you can put all of your garden tools in here. This has just got a ton of uses, and it comes in multiple patterns that are friendly for everyone. Again, this is the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote.